G'day everyone, it's Duncan here, and I hope this is the last message from me to you, Mr Prime Minister. But somehow I don't think so. Albo, forget being a Labor numbers man for a moment. Forget factional maths, optics and media management. You are the Prime Minister of Australia, and this moment demands leadership, not caution. Right now, a broad and credible coalition is demanding a Commonwealth Royal Commission into the Bondi attack. Not activists or fringe groups, but victims' families, more than 100 business leaders, Jewish community leaders, senior rabbis, over 200 lawyers, including 135 senior silks, and 18 former judges, alongside human rights organisations, former politicians and academics, all speaking with one voice. They're all saying the same thing. An internal review is not enough. It lacks independence, it lacks transparency, and it lacks public confidence. Australians are no longer asking for reassurance, Mr Prime Minister. They're asking for answers and accountability. Within the Jewish community especially, there's a strong belief this government is avoiding a hard conversation on anti-Semitism, choosing political caution over confronting reality head on. That perception matters because leadership isn't just what you do, it's what people believe you're willing to face. Right now, Australians see hesitation. They see delay. They see responsibility split until no one owns it. Empathy on social media doesn't fix that. Press conferences don't fix that. Carefully worded statements don't fix that. Selfies with school kids won't fix it. Empathy without action rings hollow. Bondi wasn't just a tragedy, it was a failure of systems, intelligence, prevention, security, mass immigration, and decision-making. Royal commissions exist for moments like this, when trust is broken and the public needs to see nothing is being hidden. This isn't about politics, Prime Minister. It's about whether Aussies believe their leaders will confront uncomfortable truths. Leadership isn't delay. Leadership isn't hoping the issue fades. Leadership is standing up and saying, we will examine this fully, independently, and in the open. Call the Royal Commission, Prime Minister. Not later. Call it now.